Solve the system by substitution or elimination. If the system is inconsistent or has dependent equations, say so. Here we have the system 3x plus 4y is equal to 8, and 8y is equal to 7 minus 6x. I think I'm going to start by rearranging the second equation, putting it in standard form by adding 6x to both sides. So let's rewrite it as 6x plus 8y is equal to 7. I'm going to identify our equations, this first one as number 1, and this third one, let's call it equation number 2. I like the form of this. Now, let's use the elimination method. As we use that, we would like to be able to add our equations 1 and 2 together and get a variable to disappear. If we add right now, that's not going to happen, so we're going to have to fix one of these equations. And I'm going to fix equation number 1 by multiplying it by a negative 2. That's going to create a coefficient up front of negative 6, so our x values will cancel. So let's rewrite that equation 1 as a negative 6x minus 8y is equal to a negative 16. Just leaving some notes to self, this is negative 2 times our equation number 1. Let's just rewrite equation number 2 underneath it. And now we're ready to add these together. Notice that our x variable is indeed going to eliminate, but also our y variable eliminates as well, leaving 0 on the left-hand side is equal to negative 9 on the right-hand side. Now we see that this is a false statement. And when this happens, when our variables both cancel each other out, leaving us with a false statement, graphically what we have here are parallel lines. Parallel lines have no intersection point. This system has no solution. We also then can say that it is an inconsistent system. And we can describe that solution set as the empty set because there is no solution to this system.